Well, students, today I'm going to solve reading passage 3 of model test 4. The book name is Barron's IELTS International English Language Test System, a student's choice. The passage is based on adult intelligence, and the passages such as intelligence, psychology, philosophy, they are a bit hard passages, because in such kind of passages the scientists or researchers or philosophers explain certain theories, and if such kind of passages are in third, main questions are in test, they are in third passage, then it becomes challenging. So let's do this passage. I hope that you will enjoy doing this with me. The questions are based on blanks 28 to 34. There are almost 7 blanks. And the good thing is that the list of words have been given in a block of rectangle, and we have A to M lists of words, and the list is very long, so it becomes a little bit challenging for the students to choose the right answer. So let us first read the blanks. The first blank is: this psychological method of intelligent assessment measures dash. So measure is a verb here. So we need here a noun that can work as a object of this verb. So we have to find a noun, and the key words are psychological method, intelligence, assessment measures. And in the first paragraph, over 90 years, Binet and Simon delineated mean explained two different methods of assessment intelligence. Assessing intelligence. These are psychological method. This is our keyword, which concentrate mostly on intellectual processes such as memory and abstract reasoning. So it says that psychological method focus on memory and abstract reasoning. So what does it mean by memory and abstract reasoning? Is there any wording there in the block that relates to this? Let's find. So memory and abstract reasoning, psychological issues. This is issues mean problems, potential achievement in school, knowledge based knowledge, Binet and Simon, problem solving, future job, recent research, social class, thought processes. Yes, the thought process is the right answer over here, because memory and abstract thinking both are thought processes, because thought processes are abstract things, they are not physical things. So H is the most suitable answer over here. So I'm going to fill H here, that is thought process. And the second question is: Binet and Simon wanted to develop an assessment method that was not influenced by the child's dash. Child's dash. So Binet and Simon, they are the clear words over here. Assessment method that not influenced by, impacted by child's dash. The main concern of Binet and Simon was to predict elementary school performance independently from social and economic background. This social and economic background of the individual student. So it means that they wanted to develop a method which has no influence of social and economic background of the child. So which word or group of words uh, represents social and economic background? This is J, social class. So this is the answer of question number 29. It means Binet and Simon wanted to develop an assessment method that was not influenced by the child's social class. Social class. Not influenced by means independent of. Now quickly see question number 30. The Binet and Simon tests have been successfully to predict a verb. We need here a noun. For that, our keyword was predict. So Binet and Simon tests are quite effective in predicting. They are very useful in predicting what? School success in both primary and secondary education environment. So they are helpful or useful in predicting success. So we have to find out parallel wording for predicting success. No. Potential for achievement in school. Potential means the capability of for achievement, the power for achievement in school. That can be, related to success. So this is our answer to the question number 30th. That is D. Binet and Simon tests have been successfully used to predict potential for achievement in school. D means potential for achievement in school. Achievement means success over here. Next blank is the Binet Simon tests are not good predictors of dash. Means they are not very good predictor. They cannot make good judgments or predictions of what? So good predictors. 31st. The good thing about blanks is that they are they are in the same sequence. The sequence do not change. So we are going to read the next. However means here there is some opposite view. They have been found to be much less predictive of success in post-secondary academic and occupational domains. Occupational means job market. So the Binet and Simon's method was not very successful or useful in job domains. Once again, read that question. The Binet and Simon tests are not good predictors of dash. So keyword there in the passage was related to occupation. So which word that relates to occupation here? Yes, future job performance. L. That is going to be our answer of blank number 31. Now 32, question number 32 is, according to dash, the pedagogical method is the best way to assess adult intelligence. So according to some researchers, uh, pedagogical method. So we already know that Binet and Simon are supporting method is psychological method, and this so psychological method is supported or given by Binet Simon. So now the other group of researchers we have to find. So I don't think there is a need for us to read through the passage. We can directly search it out from the blanks. By Binet and Simon already given here. So they support psychological method. So we have only these two person over here, Ackerman and Gregory. They are nouns, and they are our perfect answers over here because no other researcher or scientist discussed here. So answer number 32 is I. Without reading we have done this. And 33rd question, the pedagogical method is better measure of adult intelligence because most problems that adults encounter in real life are not completely dash. So the problems that adults face in actual life, they are not completely dash realistic or old or new, something like that. So let's find out from the passage first. The problem related to adults are discussed in this paragraph. When an adult is presented with a completely novel problem, novel means new problem, for example, memorizing a random set of numbers or letters, the basic intellectual processes are typically implicated in predicting which individuals will be successful in solving problems. The dilemma for adult intellectual assessment is that the adult is rarely presented with a completely novel problem in the real world of academic or occupational endeavors. So, whatever the problems are given to the adults to solve, they are not completely new problems. Novel means new problems. Problems are old problems they often encounter in their lives. So, we got our answer. Let's see the statement once again. The pedagogical method is a better measure of adult intelligence because most problems that adults encounter in real life are not completely dash. So we have to make certain guess over here. Completely dash means pre-assumptions we have to do that will help us to find the answer. So the word novel was there here in the passage novel. So what we is there any synonym? Test psychological issues and new. The new word is given over here. So problems are not completely new. So C is answer here. In the area of artificial intelligence, dash systems are preferred. The name of some systems are there which are preferred. So the key word is area, artificial intelligence, and systems. Now, look here from the artificial intelligence. From the artificial intelligence field mean area. Artificial intelligence we found here, field means area. Researchers have discarded means left means not giving any importance or leaving. Discarded the idea of a useful general problem solver in favor of knowledge based expert systems. So what the research preferred? Knowledge based expert systems. They didn't give importance to general problem solver, okay, in favor of knowledge based expert systems. So knowledge based expert systems. So let's see blank once again. So here you can see that the writer of this book has very cleverly designed that sentence. In the area of artificial intelligence, dash systems are preferred. This is a passive voice. He didn't add word researcher. So dash systems are preferred, knowledge based. So E is our right answer. The knowledge based systems are preferred. So you can see that these blanks are a bit hard blanks, but the practice can overcome the difficulty level and things become easy if you do regular practice of such kind of passages. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I request you that please share this video with more and more students that you know. Thank you very much.